us have all heard about swine flu. No? You ran around with that mask and all and never went anywhere and did all that. Whole thing was a hoax to make money. Did you know that? No. See, in every winter season in Europe and America, flu is a common thing. This is a minor illness syndrome. 4 minor illness syndromes make you more sick than heart attack and cancer. You probably didn't know about that. You are only talking about cancer, diabetes, hypertension. No. 4 things. Sore throat, flu-like illness, common cold, and feverish cold. Did you know this? In Europe, in winter, 50 million people do not go to work because of one of these 4 diseases. And all these 4 diseases require Indian treatment. What's that? When you have a cold, the virus lives in your nose and that's bugging you. You can't breathe enough. And you go and take a tablet. What does it do? Temporarily it gives you relief because it closes your blood vessels. Afterwards it opens it wide and you get more further congestion. Then you get cough. Then you may even get asthma. Instead of that, when you get the first few sneezes, go home, ask your mummy for a bowl of water, boil it, and the fume comes up, close your mouth, don't go very close because it will burn you, little distance. Breathe that fume in and out, maybe for 5 minutes. Your nose becomes 1 degree centigrade warmer and the virus dies. And next day you are fine, you can go work. This treatment is free. That is why it is not popular. Did you get that? Suppose you get sore throat. Do you know the best treatment? Sip hot water. If you don't like water, many of you don't like water. Sip hot tea, doesn't matter. But keep on sipping for about half an hour so that the throat temperature and your head temperature goes up by 1 degree centigrade, germs die. But who wants to do that? Suppose you get a flu-like illness. Simply sit at home, don't go for work, rest. Number 2, plenty of water. Number 3, eat in moderation. And next day, you are okay. On the contrary, you take one of these lowering drugs, fever lowering drugs. They are the deadliest. The body wants the temperature to go up to kill the germ, you want to lower it. So this fellow will be off color for about a week or 2. This is called malaise. And then it will depress the immune system so that a secondary infection comes, you get permanent cough, hacking cough. Then you take a cough syrup, it suppresses the cough and it becomes a pneumonia.